stop taking things off.
Alright, welcome back to Gordo's Backyard Tinkers again. We're doing this VE Hyco at the moment. It's just unclipping all the coils, as you can see here. We're going to start, so we pull them out, and then I'm going to go into how to remove all this intake manifold or the injection rail. There's a little fuel clip at the back here. This here kind of like detaches, and then you need to get a special tool that actually goes up in and under to remove that fuel line. Recommend getting a tool for it, because you'll do a lot of damage just trying to fight that out with a screwdriver or a pair of pliers or anything like that. It will not come, and then when it comes to putting it back on, it will not seal. Just briefly, where Hyco's playing around there at the moment with that coil, you'll see I've got like a little red cap on that little fitting there. Once he's finished unplugging that, I'll pull it off and give you a quick look at it. Yeah, it can be a bit tricky, and this is that little cap. Get yourself a set of these from Auto 1 or Repco, or that'll make life so much easier in undoing these. You can also use them on the fuel line, your fuel filters at the back on VZs and VEs. So that just clips in over the top, and you pretty much just gives you a little bit more leverage to support, squeeze it in and pull back, and they just pop straight off. So easy and less hassle free. So we're going to look at moving this fuel rail. So I'm going to get my little tool out in a minute. I'm going to hand the camera over to someone else, but they're going to give a bit of a look, and I'll show you how to do it. Good luck with that one, Ian.
Is it on? It's not on, is it?
There for a second.
It's not on, is it?
It's on. Of course it's on. Everything's on, man. We're full noise. So we're full noise. We're on. We're on. Right, let's get this fuel line off. Alright, what do we got? So just come a little bit closer into here, Ian. You see this little tab here? I'm just going to pop this little clip up. Pop this little clip up like so. Then we pull that out of the way. Then we get one of these. Same thing, you get these from Repco or Auto 1. Pretty much clamps over the hose, push it in or pull it out, and you'll see how simple this is. So we're going to pick roughly our size. Hopefully you can see all this, guys. Just move all that out of the way. And then we're just going to work that into that fuel line, pushing the fuel line into it as well. Can be a bit tight, and off she comes. As you can see, there's a fair bit of pressure there, so just mind your eyes. Safety at all times. Alright, now that line's undone, we're just going to undo the bolts for this injector rail. Obviously unplug it from the harness, and then we just lift that up carefully, put it in a safe place, out of the way so you can't get kicked or damage any of the surfaces. And then pretty much we start on rocker covers, and then as I was saying, we work down. Alright, so the next video will probably be the rocker covers off and belt, and we'll look at the harmonic balancer next. Cool, alright guys, cheers.